So students, today we are gonna do application based on the parallel line when a transversal cut a parallel line, right? So first of all, Amijot, tell me how many angles are formed when two parallel lines cut by a transversal?
Pretty sure it's 8.
Yes. 8? Okay.
Yeah.
When two parallel lines, when one transversal cut two parallel lines, how many angles are forming? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? So 8 angles are forming over there. So Ajit, tell me what is the relation between the angle 1 and 5? What is the relationship between them?
The corresponding angles.
They are corresponding angles. Kavya, you tell me what is the relationship between the angle 3 and 5? What is the relation between them?
Miss, alternate interior angles.
Alternate interior angles. Very good. And you tell me, Kavya, Sana, what is the relationship between the 6 and 4?
They are co-interior angles.
6 and 4, beta. 6 and 4 are alternate interior angles, right? Now, next, if you will see these parallel lines, what about these two angles? What is the sum of angle 4 and 5 and what they called? Amitoj.
4 and 5 equal 100 degrees and they're co-interior.
So 4 plus 5, actually those are equal to 180 degree. If they are not equal to 180 degree, that means the given lines are not parallel, right? If it is not equal to 180 degree, then the given lines are not parallel. So if it is given that these two lines are parallel, then the sum of the co-interior angle must be equal to 180 degree. Got it? Is it clear? Keep your webcams on. Okay. Next. Answer it properly. So next is, see this question, right? So all these things you need to keep in your mind. Last day we have discussed all these things, right? Now see this one. These are the two parallel lines, right? And this is what? This is its transversal. Got it? In this question, what you need to find out? You need to find out this angle A. How you can find it out? Anybody who can tell me how to find out this angle? Yes, Amitosh, tell me.
So first you would need to find out what this angle is, and then you can find out that angle because they're corresponding.
Very good. So first of all, you need to find out this angle. This is 90 degree, this is 165 degree, and what is the measure of one complete angle? That is equal to 360 degree, right? So how you can write it down? Angle D plus 90 degree plus 165. That is equal to what? That's equal to 360 degree. They are forming one complete angle. Got it? One complete angle they are forming. Okay. So if they are forming one complete angle, their sum must be equal to 360 degree. Then D will be equal to 360 degree minus 90 plus 65. 165 degree. Now 360 minus this will be 5. 5 and 255. Right? Subtracted from 360. So 105. Okay. So this is equal to 105 degree. Now angle D is equal to angle A. Why? Because they are forming corresponding pair. Okay. Corresponding pair. So therefore A is equal to 105. 105 degree. Got it? Is it clear? Everyone, is it clear?
Yes, miss.
Okay. Now see the next question. See the next question. This is what? This is A over here, right? How to find out this A? Ajit, tell me how to find out the A.
It's 100 degrees.
Hmm?
Is it 100 degrees? I'm at
How?
120 degrees.
How?
It's a linear pair. Wait, never mind.
Who can tell me how to find out this question? Yes, Kavya, tell me.
Miss, do you subtract 60 with 180 to get A because 60 and A are a linear pair?
Who told you? These are two parallel lines. See, these are two parallel lines and this is its transversal. And these two angles are forming which angle, Amitoj?
Co-interior.
Co-interior angles. And what about their sum then?
Wouldn't it be 125?
So see, when these are the two parallel lines and this is its transversal, right? And these two angles are forming co-interior angles, right? What is the sum of co-interior angle? That is 180 degree. It means 55 plus A plus 60 degree is equal to what? That's equal to 180 degree because they are forming co-interior angles. Okay. Co-interior angles they are forming over there. So this is 5 and 115 plus A is equal to 180 degree. What is the value of A then? That will be equal to 180 degree minus 115. Okay, just subtract it. 5 and they will come 7 minus 1, 6. So 65 degree. Got it? So this is equal to 65 degree. Write it down in your notebook, this question. Yep. Done? See the next question, students, now. Now do this question yourself and tell me what is its answer. Use your brain a little for this second question A part. And Sana, you will tell me the answer for this question.
Mr. Center answered in the chat box.
Yes, you can.
I sent you my answer.
That's good. Sana,
So-
it's correct. Very good. Kavya, you are not sending. Yes, Kavya. All of your answers are correct. So what is its answer, Sana?
60.
60 degree, because this is forming one complete angle over here and the measure of this one is given to you. It means this is 60 degree. Now angle E is equal to angle A. Why? Because they are forming corresponding pair, right? If they are forming corresponding pair, that means angle A is also equal to 60 degree. Got it? So in this way, you need to do the other parts also. See, this question is same as we have done before. How to find out this angle? Let's do this one now first. Now see, there is not any relationship between this angle and this angle, right? But if we find out this angle first, then these two angles will be corresponding angles, right? But the question arises, how you can find out this angle? How you can find out this angle? Yes, Amitosh.
65 and the angle. There's.
You're on mute. These two angles are forming linear pair. These two angles, because this is a straight angle and the sum of these two angles will be equal to 180 degree. Right? So 180 degree minus 65 degree you will do. Okay, so that will be equal to 115 degree. Okay. So this angle will be equal to 115 degree. Now these two angles again same. Why? Because they are forming corresponding pairs. So this will also equal to 115 degree. Got it? Clear? Okay, do this question now yourself. This type of question right now we did. This one. Find out the value of A in it. And do it carefully. Don't do mistakes in it.
I sent my answer.
Yes, that's correct, Ajit.
I sent my answer.
Sana, your answer is wrong.
I
Kavya,
sent
your
you my answer.
answer is wrong. Amito, your answer is correct. How you're solving, both of you, Kavya and Sana? This angle complete and this angle, these two are the parallel line. Already I told you, and this is its transversal. And what is the sum of co-interior angle? That is equal to 180 degree. Find out the value of A now. Do it again. Find out the value of A. Kavya, 62 plus 38 is what? That's equal to 100. Now 38 plus 62 plus A, that's equal to 180 degree. It means if you want to find out the value of A, 180 degree minus 100 you will do. So that's equal to 80 degree. Okay. Sana, need to understand this. Next question. I part. See this one, beta. In this, these two are the parallel lines and this is its transversal, right? Again, you need to apply the same rule over here. Do it now again yourself and tell me the correct answer in the chat box. Yep. Sometimes they are going to make you confused. Don't get confused in it.
I sent my answer.
Same. Done.
Very good. Amito, your answer is wrong.
No, I accidentally wrote a 3 instead of a 4.
Yeah. So what is its answer, Kavya?
Miss 45 degrees.
45 degrees is the correct answer. Yes, all of you had done it correct. Very good. Now see the next question, J part over here. Right? So in this you can see first of all how you can find out the value of A over here. How you can find out. See, these two are the parallel lines given to you, right? And this is its transversal given to you. Okay. So again, you can apply the same rule over here, or either the second way also you can find it out. So if this is 40 degree, this must be 40 degree because they are forming alternate pair, right? They are forming alternate pair. Now 40 degree plus A plus 80 is what? That's equal to 180 degree. Why? Because they are forming linear pair, right? They are forming linear pair because they are forming on a straight line. So the value of A will be 180 degree minus 120 degree, and which is equal to what? That's equal to 60 degree. So the value of A will be 60 degree. Okay. So whenever you are going to solve these type of questions, you need to write down the reasons also. Why you are taking this angle, why you are take A is equal to 60, right? Why you are taking all these angles. So you need to write down the reasons properly, right? Now, solve this L part. Hurry up. Solve it fast. And send me the answer in the chat box.
I sent my answer.
Yes, your answers are correct. Yes, Sana, you have not sent me. Yeah, you send it to me. Very good. So this is 25 and this is what? What is the measure of this one? Tell me, Sana.
335
335 degrees, right? So this is 25 and this is 335 degrees. Next questions. See beta. In this type of questions, you need to construct one line in between them. Okay. So see this question, third question A part. You need to find out this angle ABC in all of them, right? Now how you can find it out? First of all, you can see there are two pair of parallel lines, not one pair of parallel lines. This parallel line, which is going toward this side. Okay, if you will consider this one parallel lines and this is its transversal, then you can find out which angle, this angle, can you find out this angle at that time? This one or this one? So 60 is equal to angle 1 because they are forming corresponding pair. So 60 is equal to 60 over here, right? Because they are forming corresponding pair. Understand the thing. Now I'm just drawing this with the yellow color over here, right? In this way. Now here you can see this is 70 degree and this one is also 70 degree. Why? Because they are forming corresponding pair. So now what is the measure of ABC? That's equal to 60 degree plus 70 degree and that will be equal to 130 degrees. Got it? So this is the answer for this question. Is it clear? Any doubt?
No. No.
Next. Solve the next question now. These two are the parallel lines, right? So in this second part, you can see first you need to find out. First you find out this angle, this one angle. Then only you can correlate this angle with this angle, right? So angle, let it be angle 1, 2, 3, and 4 angle, right? Now angle 1 plus 110 degree, that is forming a linear pair, which is equal to 180 degree, right? So angle 1 will be equal to 180 degree minus 110 degree, and which is equal to 70 degree, right? So this angle is 70 degree. Similarly, what about this angle 4? That is equal to 50 degree because this angle is 130 degree. So this will be 50 degree. Now 70 and 2 are forming which angle? They are forming corresponding again. So this is also 70, this is 50. So what is the measure of ABC now? That's equal to 70 degree plus 50 degree and that's equal to 120 degree, the value of ABC. Got it? Is it clear?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Now solve this C part. Here. Try to solve it. How to find out the ABC angle, this one, A, B, and C. How you can find it out? See, these two are the parallel lines, first of all. And this is its transversal. Okay. First of all, if you can find out this angle, that will be better, right? If you will consider this line, this is 130 degree, this is what this angle must be equal to 50 degree because they are forming linear pair over here, right? After that, you can find out this angle by using co-interior property. Use co-interior property to find out its value. Hurry up, find out ABC now yourself. Sana, can you please tell me how to find out ABC in this case?
So A would be 75 because they are like
No, ABC angle.
it would basically be the same as A and then 75 and B. So you'd find the angle by basically like that. So B would be like
No,
the angle would be 75.
no, 75 plus 50 plus this angle ABC. They are forming co-interior angles. So its sum must be equal to 180 degree. Now find out ABC.
Miss, I sent you my answer in the chat box.
Okay. So ABC will be equal to 180 degree minus the sum of these two angles,
Awesome answer.
125 degree. Okay. Sana, your answer is wrong, beta. Amito, your answer is correct. Kavya, your answer is correct. So it will be equal to 55 degree. Okay. Sana, these two angles are forming co-interior angles. Okay. Solve the next question in the meantime. 1 second. Yes, beta, done. Have you done this question number? This D part? So you can see over here, this is it, the construction they have done over here. And this angle is what? That's equal to 25 degree because these and these two angles are forming alternate angles, right? And this one and this one are forming alternate interior angles. So this is 50, this is 25. So the measure of ABC will be equal to 25 plus 50. That's equal to 75 degrees. Okay. So same type of question is there for E and F for the same type of questions. You need to do it yourself.
Do we send
In
it to you in the chat box?
Yes. What are you saying?
I was saying, I thought we were supposed to do E and F.
Later. I'll send you screenshots.
Okay.
See the next question. Find the value of x unknown over here. How to find out the value of x over here? You just draw this line over here, right? Stand it. Now this is 110 full angle, right? If this is 60 degree, this must be 60 degree. Why? Because they are forming alternate interior angles, right? And what about this angle now? Tell me, Kavya, what about this angle? This one, small one. What is the measure of this angle over here?
Is it 50?
50 degree, yeah. Because its sum is 110 given to you. Now, if this is 50 degree, this must be 50 degree because they are forming alternate pair. Got it? So 60, first of all, you can find out this angle, then you need to find out this angle, right? So how you can write it down? First, you will consider it as extend this line, construct it. This is angle 1 and 2. Angle 1 will be equal to 60 degree because they are forming alternate angles. Okay. Alternate interior angles actually they are forming over there. Then after that, how to find out angle 2? That is 110 minus 60 degree because the sum of whole this angle is given to you 110. So this will be equal to 50 degree. So now this implies x is equal to 50 degree because they are forming alternate interior angles over there. Got it? So in this way you can find out this one is equal to 50. This is 60, this is 50, so this is also 50 degrees. Got it? Any doubt? Okay. Now here you have given what is a minimum. What is the minimum number of angles you need to know to find out all angles marked in these diagrams? So minimum, if you know only one angle in it, suppose you know angle D, you can find out F also, then you can find out C, okay, then you can find out then you
Which-
can find out C because they are forming linear pair. C and E are vertical opposite angles. Okay, then these two are the co-interior angles. Okay, so in this way you can find out all these angles, right? So only one angle you required to know all the other angles. In this, how many angles you required? Measurement of how many angles are required to find out all the angles?
One.
One?
Yeah.
If you know this angle D, you can find out angle C, right? You can find out angle C. And if you know angle C, you can find out angle B. If you can find out angle B, you can find out also angle A because they are forming linear pair, right? Then how the B, C and A is connected with F and E? Can you connect them with E and F? Is there
Yeah.
any reason you can connect them?
Yes.
How?
B and F are alternate interior. So
Beta, that is not, this parallel line is going in this way and this parallel line is going in that way. How you can interconnect them? Kaveh, you tell me. Can you connect any of the angle with E and F? You cannot connect, I think. Ajit, you tell me. Is there any relationship between angle A, B, C, and D with F and E angle?
No.
No, there is not any relation. If you will do the construction over here, then only you can find out. If you will construct a parallel lines like this over here. Okay. So in that case, you can see this is its transversal. Then you can find out this angle. Then you can find out this angle also. So that's depend upon the construction. So it means you should know two angles if you want to find out all the angles. Okay. Without construction. Next is in this, how many angles are required if you want to find out all the angles? So in this, if you know angle D, suppose. If you know angle D, then can you find out angle B and A? You can find out the sum of it. Right? Now, this line and these lines are parallel. And this is its transversal. Got it? This angle and this angle sum must be 180 degree. So you can find out this angle C also. Okay. Now, these two are the parallel lines over here. Angle E must be equal to angle A plus B. But how you can find out angle A in that case? So minimum two angles are required if you want to find out all the angles in this case also. Okay. Next questions, you need to find out the value of x in this case. 2x is equal to 60 degree because they are forming corresponding pair. And what is the value of x? 60 divided by 2, and that's equal to 30 degrees. Got it? Is it clear? Similarly, these two. Find out the value of C part. Find the value of x in it quickly.
We send it to you in the chat box.
Yes, find it out.